muling mahagkan. Mahirap magsabi nitong sandali. Alam ko na tayo'y magkikita muli hanggat may umagat pa na harapin. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin. We've come so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why.
Why did you go away? You left me all alone, no words can say. My love, please stay. You and I, we have moments left to share.
You and I, we can make it anywhere. Ngayon lumisan ka sa buhay ko. Kung kailan sumikat ang araw at lumigaya ang aking mundo, ano ng mga bukas ko ngayon wala ka na sa piling ko. Bawat isa sana'y ika'y muling makita ko, damhin ang tibok ng puso mo. Naulila iyong iniwanan na nag-iisa. Sana'y ika'y muling makita ko, damhin ang tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo ako muli, kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit, mayakap ka. You're my everything. The sun that shines above you makes the bluebirds sing. The stars that twinkle way up in the sky tell me I'm in love. When I kiss your lips, I feel the rolling thunder to my fingertips, and all the while my head is in a spin. Deep within, I'm in love. You're my everything, those big brown eyes. You're my everything, forever and a day. I need you close to me. You're my everything. You never have to worry, never fear, for I am near. Sky above, I swim within the ocean, sweet and warm. There's no storm, my love. You're my everything. No, nothing really matters but the love you bring. You're my with those big brown eyes. You're my everything, forever and a day. I need you close to me. You're my everything. You never have to worry, never fear, for I am here. When I hold you tight, there's nothing that can harm you in the lonely night. I'll come to you and keep you safe and warm, yet so strong, my love. When I kiss your lips, I feel the rolling thunder to my fingertips, and all the while my head is in a spin deep within. I'm in love. Say goodbye when I can barely say goodnight. If I can hardly take my eyes from yours, how far can I go? Walk away. The thought had never crossed my mind. I couldn't turn my back on spring or fall. Your smile leaves the when I say always, I mean forever. I trust tomorrow as much as today. I am not afraid to say I love you, and I promise you I'll never say goodbye. We're dancers on a crowded floor, while other dancers live from song to song. Our music goes on and on. And if I never leave your arms, I really would have traveled everywhere, for my world is there. When I say always, I mean forever. I trust tomorrow as much as today. I am not afraid to say I love you, and I promise you I'll never say goodbye. How could I ever say goodbye? Well, here we are again. I guess it must be fate. We've tried it on our own, but deep inside we've known we'd be back to set things straight.
I still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I take retreats, every journey always brings me back to you. After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. After all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all, when love is truly right,
this time it's truly right.
it lives from year to year. It changes as it goes, oh, and all the way it
Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Pinanggalingan mo'y wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag mo'y di na kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Kung maisip mong iwan ako, ako'y walang sawang maghihintay sa'yo. At kahit ilang ulit akong masasaktan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging mahal kita maging sino ka man. For every time you had to go to sleep alone, for every time I tried to rush you off the phone, for every time I said something to make you cry, now that all is said and done, I can't deny I'm so sorry for anything I might have done, and I'm sorry I never meant to hurt the only one, and I'm sorry that best laid plans sometimes fall through. For anything I might have done, I apologize to you. For anything I might have done, I apologize to you.
asunto. At sa bawat maling nagawa ko sa'yo, ngayon'y nagsisik. Hey, hey, hey. Kasakit nga nitong nangyayari. I'm so sorry kung ano man ang nagawa. I'm so sorry, hindi naman iyong sinasadya. I'm so sorry, pangarap di nakatugma. Kung nasaktan man niya kita, yun di sinasadya. Kung nasaktan man na kita, yun di sinasadyang ikaw ay masaktan. Ikaw minamahal.
The weather's been bad for years, for that I'll gladly take the blame.
Sa puso ko'y di ka mawawalang kailan pa man. Sana ay ipagpatawad na lang. I'm so sorry kung ano man ang nagawa.
And I'm sorry, I never meant to hurt the only one.
I'm so sorry, pangarap di nakatugma.
For anything I might have done, I apologize to you.
Kung nasaktan man niya kita, yun di sinasadya.
To you.
That might just scare you away. I know down inside, here am I, and now your true love. Please, no more dreaming. How can I
saya at ng kulay, di mauulit muli. Ang oras kapag hinayaang lumipas, madarama mo hanggang bukas, di mababawi muli. Ang dami-daming bagay na hindi naman kailangan, kung pwede lang bawasan natin ang mga tampuhan. Hindi mo lang alam, hindi mo pa nararanasan. Kahapon sana natin di mo na pinahirapan. Patawad muli, di na muli. Ang oras kapag hinayang lumipas, madarama mo hanggang bukas, di mababawi muli. At natapos ang himas ng sandali, di kukupli aking tinig ng lumipas na't di man lang nasabi salamat hanggang sa muli. Ang dami-daming bagay na hindi naman kailangan, kung pwede lang bawasan natin ang mga tampuhan. Hindi mo lang alam, hindi mo pa nararanasan. Kahapon sana natin di mo na pinahirapan. Patawad muli, di na muli. Pinawi ang buhay mo nang walang sabi. Pinupulong ko sa sarili, mahal kita hanggang sa huli. Mahal ko 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 hanggang sa muli. We've come so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why. She's faced the hardest times you could imagine, and many times her eyes fought back the tears. And when a youthful world was about to fall in, each time the slender shoulders bore the weight of all her fears, and the sorrow no one hears still rings in midnight silence in her ears. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild. And if by chance I should hold her, let me hold her for a time. And if allowed just one possession, I will pick her from the garden to be mine. Be careful how you touch her, she'll awaken and sleep's the only freedom that you know. And when you look into her eyes, you won't believe the way she's always paying for a debt she never owed. And the silent wind still blows, and only she can hear, and so she goes. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon
Look, real trees are trending downward. Your sales continue slipping. They destroy your bottom lines with plastic pines and same-day shipping. Well, you got a better product, but if you wanna win, you gotta study human nature. All those interested? Lean in. People are one. Lazy, we only care about ourselves. Your competition knows this, so they grab pies off the shelf, but we also too. Desperate to feel good, smart, bright, and that's what you have to harness if you wanna win this fight. See, what you're really selling is the way things ought to be, so your pitch becomes compelling, selling more than just a tree. It's a symbol of your values, it's your antics and your cars. You can either be fake like the trees they may, or take a stand for Santa Claus. We're bringing back Christmas, we're bringing back cheer, we're bringing back cozy nights, those twinkle lights, the glow of yesteryear. Now it sounds like manipulation, but it's what we gotta do. See, we need some confrontation, or your message won't get through. We bring it back decency, we bring it back Christmas, and then miss the party set of really authentic tree. Oh, it will be sure simple to boost your market share. We rebrand you as nostalgic, tell your costume as you care about the what is what? Tribal. So if you want your sales to soar, it's not enough for folks to love you, they gotta hate your rebels more. As an expert, my devices feed the hate, cause hate is wrong. Folks will gladly pay your prices to prove those Christmas killers wrong. And all the joy that we lost, give me some peace and earth, I'm virgin birth and grandpa get his sauce. Every Facebook loving boomer wants to fight a culture war, so tell your car consumer what the hell they're fighting for. We bring it back Christmas, and it's not coming back with some manufactured tree. I'm talking a living tree in your living room. As I reach up to place the angel on top, I look out my window and I see my neighbor, Doug. Across the street, snapping together his artificial tree. Easy peasy, poor lazy, deplorable Doug. Who cares more about convenience than the happiness and respect of his town, of his country, of our sacred holiday? We bring it back Christmas, we bring it back Christmas, plus a ton of cash from some good old-fashioned trees.
Beneath the weight of all our sin, you bow to none but heaven's will. No scheme of hell, no scoffer's crown, no burden great can hold you down. In strength you reign forever, let your church proclaim. Christ is risen from the dead, trampling over death by death. Come awake, come awake, come and rise up from the grave. Christ is risen from